What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Crypto Babe Postcard Diva. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you haven't checked out this program, How to Earn Daily Pay Income, the link is in the description and it's on the screen. Go check it out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. So I'm back. I want to do an update actually today. We had some new training that have been updated in this platform in the membership area. So I just wanted to go over that with you guys today. But if you haven't checked this out, I've been talking about it. All right, I've been a part of this program since its inception back in 2021. We're almost 3 years in on this thing, so it absolutely works. Go back and look at some of my videos. I've shown proof of other people making money with this opportunity. It doesn't matter what age, doesn't matter if you're technical, doesn't matter if you are technical, doesn't matter what your background is, no experience is needed. Do you have a smart device, a Wi-Fi connection, and a drive to succeed and belief that you can do it? Can you follow a few simple steps? Can you be committed to the process? If you've answered yes to any of those, you can make it happen. So I've shown you different proof from other people earning from the opportunity. I've showed proof from me earning from the opportunity. So thousands of people have already succeeded with the platform. The company is not on trial. It's not if this will work. It's if you will work it so that it can work for you. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we've been documenting, we've been showing, we've done it all. All right, so we're not gonna get into that today, but I wanted to show you that the company has updated some of the training in the program. So the timing could not be even more perfect that you starting your online digital business today at www.thecopypastemethod.com. So let's talk about it. Let's get into it. Let's go. All right, there has been some updates, which means more value has been added to the program. That's what I mean when I say updates. More training has been added. All right, and I'm going to go over which ones apply. Okay, so a couple days ago, this was added. I meant to come back and talk to you guys about it. All right, so just recently, more ad copy has been added to the pre-written ads and the image ads there, more ads. Now, before the year is out, more images is going to be added. We have tons in there now. So right now, more pre-written ads have been added. Okay, hear me clearly. Before the year is out, more image ads will be added. You see, we've already got a ton of those now, right? All right, so that has been updated. All right, Facebook Mastery Marketing Mastery has been updated. So for those of you who are in it, go check it out. For those of you looking to get in it, you're getting even more than what you thought, okay? So this is definitely a perfect opportunity to get started in a digital business done for you. All the funnels, everything is done for you. So Facebook Marketing Mastery, more training has been added into that one. All right, let's take a look here. See 100 Facebook groups. You'll know once you get in here, but I just wanted you to see more has been added, guys. All right, Instagram, they've added more marketing to the Instagram as well. All right, all these videos are here for you to assist you in your success. Okay, so we've got more value added, more Instagram. More YouTube automation training has been added. Okay, So go and log into your back office if you haven't done so and check this stuff out. All right, so we've got more YouTube automation training, more TikTok marketing has been added. Once you go in there, you'll see. You can tell this looks different, okay? I know I've been in here. So we've got more training for TikTok, okay? So these are the ones that have more training has been added. That's what I'm covering. Let's see what else. Okay, that's it. And again, up here, the ads, you got more ads, but before 2024 comes in, she stated there will be adding more images as well. So we've got tons of these ads and images, guys, okay, that you can utilize on these different high traffic websites to post, okay? So that's even greater. That's basically what's happening here. You have more has been added. They're not charging you anymore. You're locked in, okay? So definitely go check it out. Log in, check this out for all the folks that's already in it. Now let's cover these for everybody that's looking at getting into the opportunity. Guys, I can't tell you enough of how you want to get started in a evergreen opportunity. Digital marketing, e-learning, $1 billion a day industry, niche, okay? And you know we're living in a digital age. So this is not going anywhere. It's not slowing down either, okay? And again, this program has been around since 2021. All is missing is you taking action. That's it. Because the program is going to be here and it's already working for thousands already. All you got to do is plug in. Plug in. Don't have to reinvent the wheel. Everything is already done for you. We've got it laid out step by step. We're holding your hand through the process. The only thing we're not doing is doing it for you. And it's only going to take you 120 minutes a day to do what's necessary, okay, to start getting some traction into your business. All right, so let me show you the products and you can go check them out. All right, okay, become your own digital affiliate boss, guys. Okay, all right, let's see. All right, let's look at the 4 products that we have. We have our starter. It's $50. It's $39 for your website. There's no monthly fees here. It's a one-time investment. Okay, and you can see what are you getting here? What training are you getting? What digital products? It breaks it all out right here, right? So $89 you're in at the starter level. Okay, we got this nice little calculator here at the end, so you can kind of tabulate or project what you would like to make. Okay, and type it in here. So that's the starter. You have the elite. It's $150 plus $39, right? So if you get the elite, guess what? The starter is included. So that gives you 2 income streams, okay? All right, so $150 plus 39 is going to make it $189. And look at all the training you get. So you would be getting this one, right? Everything that's here and everything that's here. And you're able to earn on 2 levels, the $50 and the $150. Okay, all right. If you come down, the next one is the Pro. The Pro is very popular. When the program was first launched in 2021, this was the highest package, the Pro. This is where I started. I went all in, right? So it will be $300 plus 39, $339. Now when you get the Pro, the 2 lower levels is included. So now you're able to earn 3 levels. Okay, so that's 3 levels of income. So $339. That is an amazing price there, guys, for you to be able to earn unlimited $50, unlimited $150, unlimited $300 over and over and over and over, unlimited. Okay, to infinity. Okay, as many times a day as you want. You have the resale rights to sell the program. Okay, that's what it's giving you, as well as you're going to have access to all these products. Look at what you get with the Pro, $339. Again, no monthly fees, one-time investment. So you get this plus the 2 lower levels. Okay, so look at everything that's here. Now, of course, that's one of the most popular. And then, of course, the Mac Daddy of them all is the premium. Okay, this is where I am. I'm all in. 4 levels. You are able to earn on all levels, 50, 150, 300, and 600. I can resell all 4 products over and over and over again. That's unlimited income. Okay, promoting digital products. They're already done for you. You don't have to create anything. Everything is already done. Just plug in, follow the instructions we give you step by step. We give you a video every day telling you what to do. You can get it done in 120 minutes. Come on. All right, so this is the Mac Daddy, the premium. You're all in, earning on all levels. And look at all the training that you're getting. Okay, and then I just went over with you. They've added additional new updated training in here. Okay, so for your Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, okay, and more ads. So just look at all this. Okay, everything you need is right here in this program. Not to mention my thriving community that I'm going to add you to for free, because the community is $47 a month subscription membership to be a part of that community. But because you purchase one of these digital products from me, I'm going to add you in. Okay, guys, which is really going to help elevate your business. Not to mention, you're going to have 6,500 now, 6,500 folks that is doing the same thing. We're all like-minded people here, and you have support. You're not in business by yourself. Okay, for yourself, but not by yourself. And look at these. I love going in here, seeing this. I love to see people success. I love helping people, sharing this with people so that they can see that they can do it. Because I'm telling you, I've been showing you guys people from all walks of life being able to follow these steps and change their situation. Here we go. Ding, 600 and 300 while I was sleeping. That's $900 in one day. Here's another one, $300 today, 600 daily pay just before the webinar. We have webinars. We've got live training. You can get your questions answered. 1,000 for the day so far. Woke up to 300. Okay, guys, another $50. This is on and on. So wouldn't you like to be a part of a community where you can get your questions answered? Okay, that's what we have here. So not just the digital products, you have a community, right? So that's the update. Just wanted to bring that back to you guys today. So you decide, get in where you fit in, guys. Just go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Check it out. See what it's all about. Okay? All right, guys. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. So if you're ready to become a super affiliate, let's go. It's almost 2024. Don't you want more in 2024? All right? Go check it out. See you on the inside. www.thecopypastemethod.com. Don't forget to smash it. Smash it on the way out. Like the video, please, and thank you. And I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, be safe out there. Have a blessed day.